aren't many best men who can admit to trying to pull the bride. I tried chatting Alison up a very long time ago at a young farmer's do, and Alison was having none of it. I was shocked. How could anybody resist me? I had my school prom suit on, my hair was gelled up like Simon from the In-Betweeners, and with my cute little button nose, I thought I was irresistible to most women. Similar to when we'd shoot together, if I was struggling to hit a target, I generally let Will take over. I said to Will, "Can't make out of her. Clearly a bit different. Why don't you go and talk to her?" I couldn't believe it when Will made a beeline for Alison as he did his classic Willy Rimmer dance. As he made his way towards her across the dance floor. As he got closer to Alison, I could tell he was nervous, he was shaking, he looked like a Thunderbird puppet with one of its strings cut. And I thought to myself, that lad has got no chance. And that is one of the worst predictions I have ever made in my entire life, because here we are, all these years later, on your wedding day.
I think today must be one of the proudest days of my life. Walking my own daughter down the aisle, looking so stunning, has been amazing for me. I wanted to offer Will a warm welcome to our family, and I also wanted to say how happy we are that Alison has joined the Rimmer family, a really hard-working farming family, much like our own. It's also ensured a continued supply of free potatoes to Gillian's kitchen.
So, in the presence of God, and before this congregation, Will and Alison have given their consent. They've made their marriage vows to each other. They've declared their marriage by the joining of hands and by the giving and receiving of rings. I therefore proclaim that they are husband and wife, those whom God has joined together. Let no one put asunder.
I know it's a bit of a cliche to say a couple are made for one another, but Will and Alison are made for one another. I know this because there is no other woman on the planet who has the patience I have seen in Alison. Perhaps Sue, a close second. You each have qualities that add up to making you a popular and well-liked couple. Life, from what little I've lived of it, is full of ups and downs, but I can see you two really love each other, and I wish you all the success for the future.